AI battles over data, advanced advertising, capitalizing on the desire for authentic human content. These are the forces that could propel Reddit and decide the fate of the internet in the near future. Reddit has blocked the Internet Archive's Wayback Machine from archiving most of its site in a bid to curb artificial intelligence scrapers from pulling its content without permission. The block applies across Reddit's pages except for its front page, which remains accessible. Reddit says AI scrapers were bypassing restrictions by harvesting archived Reddit pages from the Wayback Machine and flagged the service's refusal to delete removed Reddit content as another reason for the move. The decision aligns with Reddit's data protection push, but also limits public access to historical internet records, a trade-off some see as a loss for the broader web. The Internet Archive, which is dedicated to keeping accurate records of all the content shared online, currently maintains data on some 866 billion web pages. The block could be a significant blow to the project, as the value of protecting data becomes a bigger consideration for online sources. Reddit's move is part of a larger trend of social media platforms taking steps to control data access and protect their content from being scraped by AI companies. The company has already put measures in place to control data access, including reforming its API pricing in 2023. Reddit's rich content library has become increasingly valuable, and the company is taking steps to protect it, including striking deals with OpenAI and Google to use its content to help train their AI models. The block on the Wayback Machine is also seen as a move to protect Reddit's users' privacy, as the company has been made aware of instances where AI companies violate platform policies and scrape data from the archive. Reddit has informed the Internet Archive ahead of the block and will keep it in place until the archive safeguards its data from AI scrapers and complies with Reddit's policies. Reddit's focus on protecting its content comes as the company is focusing more on its own AI initiatives, including Reddit Answers, an AI-powered tool that summarizes conversations and posts on the site. The company is planning to use that momentum, as well as the significant use of its own internal search engine, to challenge Google and other popular search tools. CEO Steve Huffman believes Reddit has a once-in-a-generation opportunity to differentiate itself from other search engines by highlighting the human component of its platform. The move has sparked debate about the balance between data protection and access to historical records. While Reddit's efforts to protect its content may limit access to historical information, the company believes it is necessary to protect its users' privacy and prevent unauthorized use of its content. As the battle to train artificial intelligence models becomes more intense, Reddit's decision to block the Wayback Machine may be a sign of things to come for other online platforms. Other signs Reddit could be stepping in the right direction comes from its recent quarterly results that exceeded expectations, boosting investor confidence in its AI-based advertising tools and strong user engagement. The company's diverse ad offerings, including ads inserted directly within conversations on subreddit discussions, remain attractive to marketers. Reddit's focus on understanding user intent through authentic community conversations positions it to unlock new monetization opportunities. By emphasizing the real human aspect of conversation and Answers, Reddit's daily active unique visitors increased 21%, with analysts noting that stabilizing daily active user trends are bolstering investor confidence in the platform's long-term growth narrative. Despite variable Google-driven traffic posing a headwind in the second quarter, Reddit's U.S. daily active users held steady. The company has been investing in new products, search capabilities, and international expansion to offset inconsistent user traffic. Strong quarterly performance was accelerated by advertiser adoption, AI-powered product enhancements, and marketing initiatives. Reddit's advertising business grew 84% year-over-year, with strong adoption of dynamic product ads. The rollout of Reddit Insights and Conversation Summary add-ons were highlighted as key differentiators, delivering over 10% higher click-through rates compared to standard image ads. Looking ahead, Reddit's management expects momentum to continue, shaped by further investments in product innovation, international expansion, and AI-driven search capabilities. The integration of AI-powered Reddit answers into the core search experience is being prioritized, with the goal of making search a central feature for both new and returning users. Essentially, the plan is to unify its traditional search with the new AI-powered Reddit answers to serve both seekers and scrollers. Other things to keep an eye on will be the adoption and monetization of AI-powered search and Reddit answers, the effectiveness of machine translation and localized content for international expansion, and the rollout and impact of automated ad tools for small and mid-sized businesses. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.